What's good to chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today I'm going to show you five easy steps on how to create a custom cup. This is super beginning friendly, so make sure you guys are subscribing, staying tuned, and let me show you how. Let's get into it. So I'm currently in Cricut Design Space and I uploaded the image that I want to use, and I'm just going to size it up on my cup. How big I want it, maybe 4-ish inches on here. So I'm gonna put that on one side, which I like the sizing here, so I am gonna keep it like that. Yeah, definitely. And then I do want some wording on the other side, so I'm just gonna create some text and make my wording just like that. And then I think I'm gonna do it sideways, and I'm gonna have to change this to 4. So boom. Now this is gonna be printed, the wording is gonna be printed on the vinyl, and the pictures are going to be printed in some glossy clear sticker paper. So I got my design printed on the sticky paper. Now I am just going to place it on my Cricut mat and actually have my Cricut mat cut this out for me. So our picture was all cut out. Now we are going to go in to do our wording, and so I will just be using some regular permanent vinyl and the color white. Place this on my mat and get the wording cut out as well. Now that we got the wording cut out and the picture cut out, this is literally just a sticker, so we're just gonna peel it and then place it on our cup. And then same thing with this. I don't have any transfer tape. I would definitely recommend using transfer tape, but some regular tape will work. I just think transfer tape will be a little bit easier because it's a lot more see-through, so we can place it more accurately on the cup. Tape does work though. So we're just going to peel this picture and carefully place it on our cup. Super simple, super easy. Just make sure you got all the edges down and good. Now time for the words. I'm just gonna take my tape. And again, place this onto the cup. And just like that, you have a custom cup. Super quick, super easy. I want to know if you guys are trying these at home. Go ahead and tag me either on your Instagram, your TikTok. Please, please, please. I want to see your work, and that's at cmac.31 on both social medias. I do want to see your work, so tag me. I want to interact with you guys more, but you guys got to interact with me. If you guys like this custom cup, please drop a like, comment down below what you want to see next. As always, subscribe and then stay positive. You know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.